Every plant in nature does produce some type of seed to reproduce itself. And I'm going to show you the seed from the box elder tree, which we have an example here of a young box elder tree. Trees can be identified when you learn about them from the shape of their leaf, whether they're an alternate pattern of how the leaves are attached, what the number of lobes are, how the bark looks. And so as you become more familiar with some of those characteristics, you'll be able to identify trees. This is a box elder tree, which is among the earliest native trees that were native to the prairie. And it's of the family where the maple tree is a part of its family. In fact, you can tap syrup out of a box elder tree. We did that once at Swell. The problem with a box elder tree is you'd need about 50 gallons of sap to get about a pint of actual maple syrup, because it doesn't have the sugar concentration that a sugar maple would have, which is where we usually get our syrup products from. But this is a young box elder tree. You can tell by the shape of the leaf. And when it creates seeds at the end of the summer, the seeds are these seeds that are like helicopters or spinners. And so seeds have a method of traveling away from their parent plant so that they don't take away from all of the needs of that plant, the soil, the attachment, the food, and the water and sunshine. So if you spin that, you can see how that seed would travel. And in a heavy wind, it would go even further.